one of the things that I'm going to observe is that if we do it this way, you're going to end up needing more hours in your launch training for your train the trainers, because you will have the leadership training and then you will have start into your healthcare training.
Yeah.
One of the things that you can do when you are looking at this curriculum, you'll see that there's action plans for programs that the group you're working with is going to work on. So I would recommend that for all of the action plans that are in here for the 12 units, that we make those plans the implementation of the healthcare program into their communities.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, yes. Let me try to find the leadership so that I can see the action plan.
So you'll see, for instance, in a unit 2,
Yeah.
let's actually go to, okay, so in each of the units, starting in Unit 1, Unit 1 and 2, we have a self-action plan, something that you know that you are doing with your life that you could do better, that to be more effective. And in the first 2 units, we work on that. So it's very personal goals to see what it takes to lead yourself to better success. Starting in Unit 3, we do it as a group, and the group has an action plan that they develop that looks like this.
Just a minute. Can you see? Sorry. Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
So it looks like, you all are going to have to decide what it should look like in your community. Can you print those out? Is it helpful? You're going to have them draw it in this, in the dirt like we've done in our schools. This is where it has to transform to what you need in Kibera. And we need to learn from you what that looks like for future communities, right? And we don't have to get it right the first time. You can experiment, right? But the point being that as you read through the curriculum, you'll see that there's every single week the team is working on a project. Now in this case, we also are working on the healthcare development. So I believe that the project should be around implementing the healthcare programs. So think about how to dovetail those 2 purposes so that you can be training on this and working on the healthcare implementation.
Right.
And as you read, I think that'll make sense.
Yeah. Just a minute.